In this video, I am going to discuss about first year second sum engineering practices lab. Number 2, study of logic gates. Next, the purpose of experiment is to get familiar with the elementary logic gates and to know the use of them for implementing logic circuits. So, digital electronic is found in everything from a computer to CD players and watches. So, it is based on the binary number system instead of voltage which vary continuously as in analog electronics. Digital circuits involves voltages which take one of only two possible values, that is in our case these are 0 and 5 volts, but they are often referred to as a low and a high. So that's as a binary digit 0 and 1. Apparatus required and or not NOR gates and patch cards and IC trainer kits are required for this experiment. And gate 7408, the pin will be like this only. OR gate 7432 its pin, and NOR gate 7404 and NOR gate 7402, and IC trainer kit will be like this only. So here there will be one plug for an electric supply, and there is a power button at the end, so that we can switch on and off. After this we have to insert our kit in this breadboard. After that we have to give our pin diagram connections to this, and here this is an input section, that is in a left hand side, and in a right hand side it is our output sections. So by connecting this we will get an output as an LED glow, and the patch card is used to connecting connections, and this is a pin diagram for IC 7404, that is one input and one output, and the 7th pin is want to grounded, and 14th pin want to be with a supply voltage of 5 volt, and IC 7402 pin diagram, IC 7432 pin diagram, IC 7408 pin diagram. So NOT gate in digital logic, an inverter or NOT gate is a logic gate which implements logical negation. The 7404 chip contains 6 inverter, and inverter simply converts a binary 1 to 0 and vice versa. AND gate is a digital logic gate that implements a logical conjunction. It behaves according to the truth table to the right. A high output 1 results only if both the inputs to the AND gate are high, that is 1. If neither or only one input to the AND gate is high, a low output is a result. OR gate is a digital logic gate that implements logical injection. It behaves according to the truth table to the right. A high output 1 result if one or both the inputs to the gate are high, that is 1. If neither input is high, a low output 0 is as a result. So NOR gate, here NOR gate, the NOR is a digital logic gates that implements logical NOR. It behaves according to the truth table to the right. So a high output 1 result if both the input to the gate are low, that is 0. If one or both input is high 1, a low output 0 result. NOR is a result of a negation. So nothing but this is the things, that is AND means we have to multiple things. So that is AND gate. If we are setting our input multiplying means if our two inputs are 0 0, we will get our output as a 0. 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 only 1. Next OR gate is an add. So for addition 0 0 0 0 1, any one is 1 means we will get our output as an 1. 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. And next inverter, inverter there will be one input one output, that is opposite to that input we will get our output. And NAND gate is an A dot B bar, that is A dot B multiplication, that is opposite to that. So opposite to that means AND opposites, that is 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Same for NOR gate, same for XOR gate. We will get 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 means also 0. So XOR gate here, that is XNOR gate is A plus or minus B that is like an NOR gate A plus B bar equal to Y 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Next procedure, now first of all we have to insert our chip into the breadboard and connect the 7th pin to a ground and 4th pin to a 5 volt. Make sure that all the pins are properly seated in the sockets rather than bent underneath. So connect to one input to a switch so can easily set to 1 or 0. So connect the corresponding output to a LED indicator provided. Verify the truth table of a NOR gate. Repeat the above procedure for the other gates. So here this is the connections we have to connect like this. That is we have to keep our in our chip there will be some bubble like curve like will be there, that is on a head of the chip. Have to keep kept in a left side. So from the left side from the down we have to calculate our chip pin like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and opposite 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, so here we have to keep that is 7th pin to one ground and 14th pin to one voltages. After that we have to connect our pin diagram by using patch cards. Our output will be in NOR gates. What's the table means? In NOR gate we will get that 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. When it is 1 means 0 0 means 1. So same here, 1 0 also 0 0 1 also 0. So 0 0 only 1. So this is the output. Like this way we have to do it for other gates also. So that's all. Thus the different types of logic gates were studied and its truth table were verified. Thank you students.